Hello students, today we are going to learn about a dot pitch. Dot pitch or pixel pitch is a measurement that defines the sharpness of a display. It measures the distance between the dots used to display the image on the screen. This distance is very small and is typically measured in fractions of millimeters. The smaller the dot pitch, the sharper the picture. Dot pitch applies to both CRT monitors and flat screen displays. While some large screen CRTs have dot pitches as high as 0.51 mm. Most computer displays have a dot pitch between 0.25 and 0.28 mm. Similarly, most LCD displays have a dot pitch between 0.20 and 0.28 mm. Some high-end displays used for scientific or medical imagery have dot pitches as low as 0.15 mm. These displays usually cost several times as much as consumer displays of the same size. While the terms dot pitch and resolution are related, they have different meanings. A display's resolution refers to how many pixels can be displayed on the screen. For example, a 20-inch monitor may have a maximum resolution of 1680 into 1050 pixels. When a display is set to its native resolution, typically the maximum resolution, it may display exactly 1 pixel per dot. However, if the resolution is reduced, the pixels will be larger than the dots used to display the image on the screen. In this case, each pixel is mapped onto multiple dots. A dot pitch is the distance between pixels on a computer display screen measured in millimeters. Now, what do you mean by a synchronization? In general, sync is a short for synchronize and refers to an exchange between multiple devices or programs, making the data on all devices identical. For example, you may use Google Chrome to share your bookmarks, passwords, and browser settings between multiple computers. When referring to hardware, sync is connecting a peripheral like a smartphone to a computer. This process also involves updating any information that differs on either of the two devices. Syncing keeps a device's data backup and up to date. So, what do you mean by a multimedia synchronization? Synchronization in multimedia system refers to the temporal relations between a media objects in a multimedia. A multi-sync monitor is a type of monitor that can properly synchronize with multiple vertical and horizontal scan frequency standards as opposed to a fixed frequency monitor which can only synchronize with a single vertical and horizontal frequency. This flexibility means that users no longer have to upgrade or change monitors to use new graphics standards. A multi-sync monitor is also known as a multi-scan monitor or multi-scanning monitor.